Hi there, welcome to Bawiemy się channel. Today I'm gonna be presenting 5 ways to create a Christmas tree. If you like crafting videos, subscribe to this channel and like this video to see more of my content. The first idea I'm gonna be showing is gonna require a puncher, scissors, yarn, paper plates, a brush, a paint, and some pompons. Look how easy it is. Next super easy idea for creating Christmas tree is using sticking tape, scissors, a piece of paper and some ornaments. Just watch and see. Next quick and easy way to create Christmas tree is using stamping technique. We're gonna be needing a sponge, paints, some more paint and simple stickers. Let's start. This Christmas tree activity involves one yellow feather, sticking tape, scissors, some paints, and half circle. Let's begin. For this Christmas tree activity, we're going to be needing a piece of wood, brush and some paints, Play-Doh or plasticine, parsley and a knife. Let's do this. Thank you for being here and watching all the video. Remember to like it and subscribe to the channel if you want more tinkering. See you soon and have a great holidays. Bye bye.